Any citizen groups demand that our area should be separate from the Republic of India, and that is equally a crime. This government is doing exactly that. If both these acts are passed and they are implemented, the Regularization Act and this Investment Policy Act, both of them state that whatever area is marked, the laws of the land doesn't apply to it. The Panchayat Raj Act, there are 70, all these laws are made to protect our rights which are under the Constitution. The moment you remove these laws, you are removing the protection given for our rights in this Constitution. So whether it is 74th, 75th Amendment which guarantees, the local bodies, empowers the local bodies, you are removing that right. Now just imagine, Goa started this. Tomorrow northeastern states will mark, forget a small area, they'll mark the whole state. They'll pass this kind of law and they'll say none of the national acts, the central acts apply, only whatever rules we make apply to it. So they make their own countries. Every state is going to, tomorrow the Maoists come, they form the government, they'll create this kind of rules. And they will destroy the fabric of our country. To the President, to the Chief Justice of India and to the Governor of Goa, asking them to clarify these points. We have raised a doubt, we are pointing this out. Now we want an explanation from the Chief Justice whether these acts are valid. If they are not, they are very serious charges. And these government officials, these elected members, including Parrikar, Pasekar and Francis, all have to be prosecuted for this. Because this is a crime against, this is a act against our country. We are filing a vigilance inquiry into the formation of the investment policy, because as per all the documents that we have, it looks like it is a fraud. It is done only to make money, and from this task member's point of view, we all know Atul Pai Kane scam, so this looks like a favor done to these people to create such a policy.